County in southwestern Georgia, Baker County in southwestern Georgia, northwestern Thomas County in Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Arlington to 7 miles southeast of Coal Creek, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Here
Locations and hazards include Coal Creek, Newton, Pelham, Camilla, Lecanton,
Let's
Salem
go.
City, Brinson,
VRS.
Dansville, Flint,
VHS tape.
Harrellsville, Boykin, Lester, Newsville, Quality, Branchville, Greenham, Bellevue.
VHS tape warning.
To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Tallahassee.
VHS tape warning.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Decatur, Grady, and Thomas.